Hello everyone, this is Hans. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And I promised, or I said actually in the chat role, that I would do a recap every day. So for us, and also of course for me, to perfect our entries and maybe also our exits. Today was a very weird day, and why I show you this one up here, you can see that I said if no blues on the OB, if there is no blues, the OB will go down and the Hanzo will go up, and that's exactly what happened. And if you can see the time here, we have 2 minutes before the OB, and right now 2 minutes before the OB, the down move is happening. But me, I'm concentrating on the Hanzo. I know there's always a move before the OB happening, but I don't wanna get into this. I'm concentrating on the Hanzo only. I want to perfect that trade, and just to tell you, I lost my trade today. There was no need for that. I could have closed it before even losing it, but then like today was very weird. Jasvan said that, MT said that, and this down move actually I saw here on the chart. Magnus took it and Jasvan took it very well, and I think also Wolfman took it. Well done. Anyway, concentrate on the Hanzo move. Where was this thing, So I'm gonna take that away, all right? And I'm gonna speed up a little bit the video so that we see exactly what's going on here. It's not working like that. I have to stop and start again now. See that again? Yeah, now. So I'm going to speed that up, and then we see exactly what's happening here. We see the down move is happening. It's happening. And what happened today is the Renko did not work synchron with the 1 and the 5 minutes. And here on the LTs, I was expecting that this 1 hour got broken, and even the 4 hour got broken, because on the 4 hour we had that super pink. That means this one should break really. And here we had afterwards a super yellow red. That means this one should break really. But the thing is, we have a very strong uptrend. So in that here today, it was bias versus trend. And for some time, the bias was stronger, then the trend came in again, and it was a big... So now then, here, I just stopped this for a second. So here we're coming to the point where I was thinking we will break that, okay? Because of the 8 hour and the 4 hour supers we have. So usually the 1 hour get broken easily without any problems. Also the 15 minutes BB won't get broken. 5 minutes already broken, 1 minute broken, no problem. And now look at the time, it's 46 seconds after the actually OB. And I said yesterday that we have to wait at least 1 minute, but today it proved us wrong. We could even actually take that trade within the next few seconds. I will show you when exactly. I think it would be a good idea here. So here we have a Renko now. We have the VIX, everywhere. Even here on the 4 hour, and the super yellow red has gone. Jasvan also said in one of his videos that the super yellow red is not a blue, and that can disappear. That means his job is done, okay? So that is the point here. But I was expecting the 1 hour to break. This is what's happening here. This should be actually the Hanzo trade, the first Hanzo trade. By 501 you could get in, and you could make here easily 70-80 pips on that trade. But now what's happening, the weird thing is like that. Now watch this. The Renko are going down. Now we have here another yellow on the HA, and the HA and the 5 minute, they're starting to going up. Alright? The DAX went green. Usually that means that the Dow goes down. Everything was upside down today. And that really confused me, because I thought, what the hell? I stopped this here for a second. Look at this. We are already 60 pips in the up, while the freaking Renko didn't do anything. So this was my confusion, all right? And by the time I saw this here, and also the mom flashing green, I thought, okay, I'm gonna catch it now because I saw this Renko just starting to form, and I thought, all right then, it's not a bad idea. We could get in here, so I did that, and that was mistake. That was a mistake. I shouldn't have done this. Yeah, but like I said, I didn't expect all this happening today. And now you can see this is a little bit up and down, and this is a little bit up and down. Here nobody really knows what's going on, and then this goes on for a little while, then we go up a little while, and here we could have taken actually our 80 pips or 75, and I was still in. I thought, okay, now then, yeah, I need to stop a little, just a second. Now see this here. Yesterday I said when we are in a trade with the HA yellow and we have our HA white, that is confirming that this is a very good trade. Now look at it, the margin goes down again. This is all upside down today, and this is why I lost my freaking Hanzo, but never mind, we're all learning. I'm still learning too, but I must admit, in all these months I've been doing this on demo now, and I've lost now two Hanzos. This was the second Hanzo I lost, and all the others, but I never saw a market like this. So let me just continue this one here, and this goes on now until 36. Then we all of a sudden have here a -7, and then I thought, okay, that's it. I lost my trade with -30. I have a stop loss of -30, and then I had something else to do. I had to leave the computer. I had to leave not the room. I'm always recording, but I had to leave the computer, and I could not concentrate here no more. I had to do something for my daughter and with my daughter, and it was just not my day really. And I thought, what? I woke up so nice, but like MT, funny enough, I didn't sleep well last night. I woke up in the middle of the night, could not sleep at all, and yeah, that's it. But you have some days like that. But the point is here, and here, not one more time, I stopped this here. If you see that, then we got the yellow. Okay, we have a yellow here, we have a white here. That yellow really doesn't do anything. It should be down here. So, but you know, I forgot about that, and I was thinking, okay, now we are on the Renko BB. I was still in here, okay, on the Renko BB, and actually I was here something like -10 or so, and I thought, okay, we're gonna get up here. Here we are above the 1 hour orange line, we're above the 4 hour orange line, we're above the 8 hour orange line. We still have all green here, but yeah, we broke the daily, we broke the weekly, and that is actually the part here which I should have thought, danger, danger, danger. But well, that's what's happening, and we got to learn from the mistakes. We got to learn from our lessons. When we lose a trade, it's not the world is not breaking together. We're still doing our thing, what we learned so far in all these years with our fantastic teacher Jaswan. And even here, look, now we are +80, and then we're going down again. It's jumpy again, and that just annoyed me and made me confused. And then we got another white up, then we got a mom down again, and here I show you at 36 we got -7, and then I closed the trade, and I thought, okay, that's it, I can't do this anymore. And this is also for me right now. Then we know it's going down, and well, you know, what I want to say is tomorrow. This is tomorrow. This thing here was today, which is tomorrow is yesterday. And I keep on doing the recaps. If you guys like, if you say, oh no, man, please don't do that anymore, I will stop it. But for me, I'm doing it for me, therefore, because I need to really get perfect with this trade, and I will. I see you tomorrow, and I wish you pleasant evening, night, whatever, and over and out.